Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. First of all, select any apps like Gallery, Messages and Browser. Then click at the button with 3 lines and tap on the icon of each app. Select Open in pop-up view. So this is the first app, second one, and finally third one. If you want to see all of them, just tap at the bubbles. As you can see, now I can use all of my apps at the same time. But if you want to go back from this mode and close any of these windows, you need to click at the same button with the 3 lines over here and close chosen app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!